Violence reported in Chandamari in West Bengal. Now, Chandamari falls in the Cooch Behar constituency where poll-related violence has always been a major concern. And it is because of this that out of the 260 companies of security forces deployed, 112 companies have been placed only in Cooch Behar. We're getting reports of stone pelting from Chandamari, which falls in the Cooch Behar constituency. Pooja is joining us with more details. Pooja, like I said, poll-related violence has always been a major concern in this constituency. Tell us what happened.
Well, it is a major challenge for the ECI to conduct peaceful elections. However, polling began after 7 a.m. this morning, but now we're seeing shocking visuals from the Chandamari area where we're seeing that Trinamool Congress workers are reportedly pelting stones on the voters. So this is a video that has surfaced showing Trinamool Congress workers trying to stop voters from going to the polling station. Remember, this visual shows that the place where they're pelting stones a couple of meters away from this area is the polling station where voters were making a beeline to cast their vote, and that is when they started pelting stones. On the other hand, they were also trying to stop the BJP workers, and at this point in time, the BJP Mandal president has also suffered injuries and he has been rushed to the hospital.
Well, absolutely. Talking about Cooch Behar, there are more than 2,000 voting booths and 300 of them, in fact, have been identified as sensitive booths. Now, this once again, talks about the poll-related violence history of the constituency. Pooja.
Well, absolutely. In 21 assembly elections, we've also seen a firing incident took place and 4 people lost their lives. And then Cooch Behar, Sital Kuchi was on the boil. And thereafter, this time around, the Election Commission was trying to ensure that there is no violence and elections can take place peacefully. Thereafter, what we've seen is that more than 260 companies of central forces have been deployed for 3 constituencies. But in Cooch Behar alone, more than 112 companies of CAPF continues to remain deployed. A large section of state police continues to remain deployed. But despite all these security measures being taken by the Election Commission, what we're seeing that a violent incident has surfaced from Chandamari area of Cooch Behar.
All right, Pooja, for the moment, thank you for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you and to all our other reporters for live updates on the first phase of polling, voting for which is currently underway. A quick break.